Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My today's lecture for class 10th is displacement reactions and double displacement reactions. It is subject chemistry. Displacement reactions. Those reactions in which one element takes the place of another element in a compound are known as displacement reactions. So in displacement reactions, a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound. So let us take some examples of the displacement reactions. First example, copper sulfate reacts with zinc. It forms zinc sulfate and copper. So in this reaction, this displacement reaction takes place because zinc is more reactive than copper. So zinc displaces copper from copper sulfate compound. Another example is when a piece of magnesium metal is placed in copper sulfate solution, then magnesium sulfate solution and copper metal are formed. Copper sulfate, it reacts with magnesium, it forms magnesium sulfate and copper. So here magnesium is able to displace copper from copper sulfate solution because magnesium is more reactive than copper. Another example, copper sulfate reacts with iron and it forms iron sulfate and copper. So iron is more reactive than copper. So when a piece of iron metal is placed in copper sulfate solution, then iron sulfate solution and copper metal are formed. So these are displacement reactions. Examples of displacement reactions where a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element. Now another type of reaction is double displacement reactions. Because in single displacement reactions, only one element displaces another element from its compound. So in double displacement reactions, what happens? What are the double displacement reactions? Those reactions in which two compounds react by an exchange of ions to form two new compounds are called double displacement reactions. A double displacement reaction occurs in solution and one of the products being insoluble precipitates out as or it separates as a solid. Let us take some examples of double displacement reactions. First one is silver nitrate solution is added to sodium chloride solution. Then a white precipitate of silver chloride is formed along with sodium nitrate solution. So silver nitrate reacts with sodium chloride, it forms silver chloride and sodium nitrate. So here the exchange of ions takes place. That means silver reacts with chlorine and nitrate reacts with the sodium. So two new compounds are formed, silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Another example, barium chloride reacts with sodium sulfate. It forms barium sulfate and sodium chloride. So two compounds, barium chloride and sodium sulfate, they react to form two new compounds, barium sulfate and sodium chloride. So here exchange of ions takes place. So another example is copper sulfate reacts with hydrogen sulfide and it forms copper sulfide and sulfuric acid. So copper sulfate and hydrogen sulfide, they react by an exchange of ions to form two new compounds, copper sulfide and sulfuric acid. Aluminum chloride reacts with ammonium hydroxide and forms aluminum hydroxide and ammonium chloride. A sodium hydroxide, which is a base, and hydrochloric acid, which is acid. Sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid reacts to form two new compounds, sodium chloride and water. So these are the reactions of these are the examples of double displacement reactions.